noodle ahead 51% for that inevitable 49% that you take it in the teeth. And that net 2, you take it at the end of every month or every quarter or sometimes every year, and you've moved your company ahead a couple points. Because if you get people up here telling you, or you listen to people speak that say they haven't gone through the 49 and the mistakes and the dips and the hard times, they're lying to you. We've all made a ton of mistakes. And if you're the kind of person that comes home and kicks the dog, or isn't a good partner to your wife, or isn't a good parent because of the pressures you're feeling at work, and you're lying awake at night week after week because you're dealing with the inevitable 49% failures, it might not be for you, right? At what price is it worth it to be going through all that? So it may appear glamorous at times. Behind the scenes, and I'm sure you all know that are doing your own gig, it's a lot of hard work, right?